Hello guys, welcome on my channel. Let's learn how you can make your mouse attractive in your Windows 10 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you need to go to your start menu and click setting and go to devices, and from the left side you need to select mouse. Now on the right side corner you will select adjust mouse and cursor size. From here you can increase and decrease your mouse pointer size like this. Below there you can click on custom and you can change pointer color like this. If you click on this plus icon, and you can make your favorite color from here. Now go back, and from here you can increase and decrease your mouse pointer speed. So this was today's video. Like and follow for more tips. Thanks for watching.